What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and beautiful people of the Crasher community? How are you guys doing today? We're back with a new video on the channel. Thank you very much for tuning on in, you absolute legends. So in today's video, we have ourselves this topic to address, coming in the form of an article from Dexerto. It is titled, TikTok to file lawsuit against US ban for clearly violating Americans' rights. Now this here isn't the first time that we have discussed this sort of topic. This right here is more or less an update to let you guys know how things are proceeding. So we're going to go through the article first, and then I'm going to give my analysis and response to the situation. Just days after the United States House of Representatives passed a bill that would ban TikTok in the US, a leaked memo reveals the company's plans to fight it. Over the last few years, the United States government has tried to find ways to ban TikTok over national security concerns regarding its parent company, ByteDance, and its connection to the Chinese government. In March 2024, the US House of Representatives passed a bill that would require ByteDance to sell TikTok to another company within 6 months, or the app would be banned in the US. That bill has yet to be voted on in the Senate, but on April 20th, 2024, the House passed another bill that would force the sale of the app, but this time ByteDance would have 9 months to do so. After the latest bill passed, TikTok's head of public policy for the Americas, Michael Beckerman, told staff in an internal memo acquired by The Information that the company plans to fight the bill in the courts. At the stage that the bill is signed, we will move to the courts for a legal challenge, he said. We'll continue to fight, as this legislation is a clear violation of the First Amendment rights of the 170 million Americans on TikTok. This isn't the first time that TikTok will end up in the courts following an attempt to ban the app in the US either. Back in May 2023, the government of Montana signed a bill banning TikTok in the state, but a lawsuit from the company was quickly filed, and the ban was never enacted on its scheduled date. Quite a few big names have come out against the TikTok ban bill since the first one passed in March, including Twitter/X's own Elon Musk. In my opinion, TikTok should not be banned in the USA, even though such a ban may benefit the X platform, he said in a post on Twitter/X. Doing so would be contrary to freedom of speech and expression. It's not what America stands for. Okay, so not much has changed really in terms of the legal battle with TikTok, attempting to ban TikTok, etc., as it seems like yet another legal stalemate of some sort. As for my own thoughts, I've said it before and I'll say it again. TikTok is nothing more than glorified Chinese spyware that puts users' data and security at risk. One of the biggest things that must be reminded and emphasized here is that this bill isn't meant to outright ban TikTok, but rather to acquire it from the hands of ByteDance, so that way it isn't in the hands of the Chinese government to access Americans' data for some sort of nefarious or espionage purposes. If the app gets sold, TikTok won't be lost. Now I get freedom of speech and support it 150%. But we also have to take other pillars into account, that the safety and security of your countrymen and women need to be protected. I want to take you all back to March 7th, where this article came out addressing this, and assuming this is the same path we're all on still, I want to reiterate something important here. The banning TikTok bill, in short, would quell national security concerns while it wouldn't encroach on the free speech of Americans. The bill also will not be a slippery slope, aka having it be used to ban other things for whatever reason. As much as I've expressed my disdain for the platform, such as with how it poisons the minds with horrible trends and videos encouraging bad acts and the like, I know there are good, wholesome creators that are on there, and TikTok is a way that they end up making their living. So it honestly shouldn't just be snapped away Thanos style, but with that said, something needs to be done, toot sweet and definitively. So what are your guys' thoughts and opinions about what we have discussed here in today's video? Whether you agree or disagree with my takes, remember to keep it civil and respectful in the comments down below. You know I always love to hear back from you beautiful people. And that's it for the video, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for your time as well in viewing this video. Have yourself a damn good one, you beautiful people. Be kind to yourself and to others, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.